Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best home fragrances that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the URPOWER second version fragrance. This second-generation URPOWER essential oil diffuser is more improved than the earlier version which was revered for its excellent fragrance. By using ultrasonic waves, the diffuser ensures the active ingredients in the oil are completely dispersed without any harm. It releases fine mist that can be adjusted depending on room size and personal preference, while the auto-off will switch off the unit in case the level goes too low. The included 7 colored LEDs also help in achieving the right mood. Moving on at number 4, we have the InnoGear Essential Oil Fragrance. This diffuser by InnoGear is aimed at creating the right mood for relaxation as well as helping the skin rejuvenate itself. It features natural wood grain design, can accommodate 200 milliliters of oil and releases the scents using ultrasonic waves. In addition to creating the right ambiance, the diffuser also helps in moistening the skin. And to enhance the mood and experience, the oil diffuser features 7 color mood settings and each color can be dimmed or made brighter. Also included are auto shut off and 4 time setting: 1 hour, 3 hour, 6 hour and steady on. At number 3, we have the Calily Ultrasonic Essential Fragrance. This oil diffuser will create the perfect home environment through scent and sight. It relies on ultrasonic technology to release scented oils in a swirling manner, and this offers more coverage. Despite its fast action, the diffuser is extremely quiet and doesn't produce any heat. It also features multi-color LEDs that also help in making the room more relaxing. Besides the home, kitchen, bedroom, living room, dining room, this product is also fit for the office, spa or massage parlor. At number 2, we have the Oojra French Provence Fragrance 231. Enjoy amazing and soothing scent that lasts for more than 3 months by investing in the Oojra French Provence fragrance. Inspired by the natural bamboo woodlands, this oil diffuser consists of a glass bottle, reed sticks and scented oil. Its main ingredient is Provence lavender that is renowned for its soft, flowery and minty scent that is not only comforting and soothing but also relaxes the body, mind and soul. The Oojra French Provence fragrance doesn't contain any alcohol, phthalate or paraben-free and is perfect for the living room, bedroom, kitchen, dining room, bathroom, office, spa and other areas. And finally at number 1, we have the Nest Fragrances Classic Holiday. Experience the holiday mood in your home by using the classic fragrance by Nest Fragrances. Coming in an elegantly styled container measuring 230 grams, 8.1 ounces, this candle will offer you up to 60 hours of alluring smell. It's created using cosmetic-grade wax that has been refined for slow and effective burning, and to give off the scent, ingredients such as pomegranate, pine, vanilla, mandarin orange, cloves, amber and cinnamon have been incorporated. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.